Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sell and list things on eBay. It's really easy. It's actually really fun. A lot of people make selling items on eBay their full-time job, or at least supplement their income and make some extra money. So in this video, I'm going to try to answer all your questions and show you exactly how to list an item. I've been buying and selling on eBay since about 2003, so if you have any questions that I miss in this video, make sure you leave me a comment down below. So let's get started. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. First thing I want to say, this is for people who really want to know how to sell on eBay, possibly make this your full-time job, your work-at-home job. So if you don't have time to watch this video, please save it and watch it later because I'm not trying to rush this video or make it short. I really want to tell you guys everything there is to know. So the first thing you're going to want to do if you don't have an eBay account, just sign up and register. It's really, really easy. So your first question might be, what do I even sell on eBay? What am I going to sell? I have sold many things on eBay. I've sold jewelry, I've sold clothes, I've sold household items. With eBay, you can really sell anything. And I haven't sold anything on eBay for years, and I'm going to list something today and I'm going to show you what it is. And you'd be surprised. And I've had this item in my house for literally years. What am I going to do with it? It is an interesting item and I'm going to show you guys as soon as I list it, but there are a lot of ideas that I can give you guys. A lot of times people will go to secondhand stores and find all kinds of interesting items and sell them on eBay. You can do that. Now that's a very fun hobby, something that you guys can do. Go shopping, go to antique shops, go to secondhand stores. Buy things from China and sell them at a higher price. That's what I used to do. I used to buy all kinds of jewelry. I used to search the internet for all kinds of jewelry finds and buy really pretty rings for like $1 and then resell them on eBay for like $10. There's all kinds of things. There's no limits. You can make your eBay store your own. You can sell whatever you want, and it's so fun not knowing which your item is going to end up selling for. So your first bid, it's going to be really exciting. Somebody's going to place like $1 or $2 bid on your item. Then somebody else will place another bid on your item, and you never really know how much your item is going to sell for. So I'm going to show you guys all the in and outs. But first things first, how do you even list an item to sell on eBay? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of the item that you want to sell and use a practice item. It doesn't have to be a valuable item. Don't actually use one of your most valuable items for your first sell on eBay. Like if you're trying to sell jewelry or, some precious gemstones or something like that, I don't think I would do that the first time. First, get the feel of it. Sell anything. Sell maybe some shoes you've never worn before that you know are just going to sit there, something like that. And you're going to want to take some really good pictures because the buyers want to see every kind of picture you could possibly even post about it. So take some really good pictures, get your pictures ready. You're going to go to your page. The first thing you're going to do right next to My eBay, you're going to go to Sell. So click on Sell, and what do you want to sell? I'm just going to use a practice item. Let's go for, I'm going to put ring. So let's see, make sure it's going to give you some, some suggestions. Just ring. So that's what I want to put. It's going to help you out every step of the way. So, okay, select the product that's closest to yours. We'll copy the details in your listing to save you time. Got it. Okay, sell one like this. Is your ring going to be real? Is it going to be a CZ? Let's see. handmade, unbranded. Now basically this is looking complicated. Don't worry about it. You can make your listing your own. Okay, how about a simple ring like this? Just a silver plated ring. Probably this ring might go for like $3. Sell one like this. So this is what my ring is like. Is your ring new? Does it have tags on it? Is it new but it doesn't have tags on it? Most of all the jewelry that I have sold has been new, but it doesn't have tags on it. So what's your next step? So eBay is very familiar with all kinds of items. It's basically going to try to link your item with something similar. So now you can make your title your own. You can put very pretty ring size 7. Oops. Size 7. Put any details you want. Here you're going to add your photos. You're going to put a main photo. You can add from your computer. So just make sure that you save all the photos that you take from your item to your computer. And it is just as simple as that. And I'm getting ready to list my item. I've already taken pictures of it. So maybe we can just do that. I'll show you exactly what I'm going to list. Show you guys the first item that I've listed in years, and when I say you can list any random item, you really can. And everyone has things around their house that they want to get rid of and really don't know what to do. You might as well sell it on eBay, and when I say eBay makes it easy, they really do. So let me walk you through. The first thing I'm going to list is some records. What should I put? I believe they're Disney records. So let's see what kind of categories they can find for me. So basically eBay is going to try to find you the best category just to list your item in. So when people are doing searches, yours are pretty relevant, if you know what I mean. So mine are old records. Mine are like from the 50s. I think they're called 45s. The small ones are 45s, right? Yes, this looks similar to what I have. So let's see, my record is something like this one. Mine is used, so always be very truthful because that's really important. Take excellent pictures, be 100% truthful in your listing because if your buyer buys something and they're not 100% happy with it, well, they're going to let you know and they're going to give you a bad rating. Okay, so I'm going to list exactly, I'm going to put the title of what my records are exactly, but I have to go take a look and see what they are. Okay guys, so I looked online, I found the actual 2 records that I'm going to sell. So this is one, and this is the other one. And I actually took pictures of the actual records also that I decided to use. If I want to go back and edit it, even after I've listed it, you can pretty much do that. You can also add better pictures. If you think that your item is not getting a lot of views, because you will be able to tell if people are actually even looking at it, you can always go back and put better pictures in. That's really important. So let's do that. I want this to be the main picture. I don't remember how to do this exactly. Oh, there you go. So if you want to add pictures, just make sure the pictures that you want to use are actually in your computer. So that's how you're going to add the pictures. So now let's see what is next. I think I have everything filled out to the best of my ability. So eBay gives you a lot of options, but if they're not all relevant to your item, don't worry about it. So this is really important though. This says optional. This is very important. So list everything you can about the item that you're selling. List it, make it sound more appealing. You can do whatever you like. If your item has any small defects, please make sure to list every last thing here because once the buyer buys your item and gets it home and checks it out, if it's not listed, they can leave you a bad rating and actually want their money back. So it's best that you list everything that you can that describes your item to a T. So as you can see here, if you guys want to read this, I basically listed everything about the items that I'm selling, where I found them. It might make them sound a little more interesting. And also, if you guys are interested, here's the video that I'm talking about, so you guys can check out that video. So anyway, let's see what's next. Is the money part. How much do you think your item will sell for? They're telling me that the average bid is starting at like 410. So here the starting bid is $1. So I can put whatever I want. If I want to put $100, I can put $100. It just depends on whoever sees my listing, who is going to spend that much for the item. It depends. How much does that person want the item? And if it doesn't sell, oh well, in 7 days you can relist it. And then at that point you can edit your prices and edit your pictures. And maybe you can see, wow, no one really looked at my listing. I wonder why. And then you can fix it. So it's really easy and you really have nothing to lose. eBay is not going to charge you if your item doesn't sell. This is completely free. They're only going to take a small fee. I believe it's 10%. I don't know. I don't remember. I'm going to look it up and tell you guys at the end of the video. But basically, you get the majority of the money and eBay takes a small percentage because you're using their platform. Basically, you have like your own store. So it's like you're paying very, very low rent, basically. So, let's see. What do I want to start my item as? Decided to go with $17 because is this going to be worth my time? I'm going to have to ship out these items. Shipping is probably only going to cost me about $3. You also do that through eBay. It's really, really easy. So what you're going to do is once a buyer purchases your item, eBay is going to let you print out the shipping label. It's going to give you options and it's going to be pretty cheap actually. So right here it is showing me, see how others have priced the item. So people are selling similar items. Let's see how they priced it. So let's see. And it all depends. Are these people's records in good condition? And this is only one record. I have two. So that's just giving you an idea. Like I said, you can do whatever you like. So I think I'm going to go with $17 starting bid. Well, let's see what this is. Easy pricing. We'll lower your starting bid 5% each time your item is auto relisted. No, I can do that myself. Buy now. Okay, so people can bid on it, yes. But do you want to put a buy now option? So I do. So if somebody wants just to buy my two records now, they can buy them right now for $50. And like I said, I really don't care if they sell. I'm just doing this as practice. So how is my item going to ship? See, I told you it's really cheap. The buyer pays $266. Let's see, package weight. I'm gonna put 1 pound. They don't weigh 1 pound, but let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be about $317. But the buyer does love free shipping. Offer free shipping, you pay? So if you want to do that, just add $3 to your item. Because they love free shipping, don't you? I love free shipping. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to offer free shipping, but basically they're still paying for it, you know what I mean? So global shipping, do you want to get into all that? So let's see. Okay, let's see. Am I ready to list my item? Okay, just going over everything, making sure that I am ready to list it. I changed that from 2 Disney records to set of 2. I just thought that sounded a little better. So this is going to be my main photo right here. So that's my main photo. How do you do that? Okay, so it's going to show you what your main photo is going to look like. And I think I have everything. You can look for typos and things like that. And if you do make a mistake when you try to list it, eBay will let you know. That way you can fix it. But I think I am ready to list it. Let's see what happens. Okay, success. Your listing is now live. Pay no fees when you sell through your personal link. So copy and share this link. I really don't know how that works, so this is new, which is good. Maybe I will put this link down below in my description here in this video. Maybe I can share it on Facebook or email it to people like they suggest. So let's see. Let's see what my listing looks like. Okay, so to see your listing, all you're going to do is you're going to go up here to My eBay, and then you're going to go to Selling, and then you're going to go to Active or All. And as you can see, here's my listing. Here's my main picture. My starting bid has to be $21 if anybody wants to start bidding on this. If they want to buy it now, it's $50. So nobody has viewed it yet. I just put it up, but I'm thinking everything looks pretty good. So this is what you do to sell an item. It's really easy, really simple. Let's see if there's anything else that I forgot to tell you guys that will help you out. Basically, I'm going to leave you guys with some advice based on selling and buying from eBay for over 15 years. So eBay is an amazing platform that gives you the ability to have your own business and your own online store. So take as much pride and put in as much time and effort as you would if you had an actual store on the street, because eBay already is well known. eBay already has millions and millions of customers that could possibly look at your listing. So with that being said, if you ever want to change the name of your store, let's say for instance you start off selling jewelry and your name is more like of a jewelry name, and then you end up selling antiques and you want to change that name, you're allowed to change your store's name every 30 days, so that's good. I originally had my name as just Lisa48125. Yesterday I changed it. I'm not liking this name at all, so I'm actually going to change it again. But here is my profile. You can make your own background, you can make your own profile picture, and you can make this store your own. So it really depends on how much time and effort you put into it. So I hope this video was helpful. If I left anything out, please leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.